Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to log out of your Cypherium Wallet application. So let's dive into the video right away. First of all, open your Cypherium application from your app drawer. If you want to log out of your wallet, then remember that you will not be able to find a logout option within the application. So in order to log out, you will need to remove your wallet from your device. Before removing your wallet, make sure that you back up your recovery phrase, since that is an only option you will be able to get hold of your wallet again. From the main homepage, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right and then tap on Wallet tool. Go ahead and export your key store or export your private key. Select any one options from the export key store and export private key options and enter your password for your wallet. Once you've entered your password, you will be able to reveal your private key. Simply go ahead and paste in the private key to a secure folder where no one will be able to get access to your account. You can also go ahead and export your key store. Simply tap on Export Key Store and enter your private key password in the text box and tap Confirm. You will be able to export your key store to a PC tool, or simply go ahead and copy it and paste it in a secure folder. Once you've backed up your wallet, go ahead and tap on the main wallet option. Now tap on the hamburger menu at the top left and simply swipe your wallet's name to the right in order to reveal this remove button. Now tap on remove and enter your private key password. Once done, tap on confirm and you will be able to log out of your Cypherium wallet. So that is how you should be able to sign out or log out of Cypherium. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.